Hey everyone, welcome to the Gujju edition. Today's video is one of the most requested videos from all of you. In today's video, I'll show you how to create those trending AI videos that you've probably seen many editors using in their edits. So let's get started. First, you'll need an image to create the video. You can generate an image using AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or other AI image generators. But since I'm here to teach you how to create the video, I'll use an image that I found on Pinterest. Now open Chrome and search for Gemini Flow. Once you open Gemini Flow, import your image here. After importing the image, you can select the model, frame size, video duration, and other settings according to your requirements. Now let me tell you something important. I recommend keeping the video duration at 6 seconds. The reason is that Gemini Flow provides a limited number of free credits each day. If you create longer videos, they will consume more credits, which means you'll be able to generate fewer videos per day. So if you keep your videos around 6 seconds long, you can make more videos while using fewer credits. So if you want to generate more videos on the same day and you run out of credits on one account, you can use your another account to continue creating more videos. Now let's create the type of video that is currently trending in many edits, the 3D rotation style clip. I'll write a prompt according to the type of video I want to create and then start the generation. You can write your prompt here based on the kind of video you want to create. And as you can see, the video has been generated in the 3D rotation style that I wanted. So that's how you can create these trending AI video clips using Gemini Flow. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.